Here it is, guys and gals. Cinema 8. Sir Mark, thank you so much ha.
Sige po.
But before, since it's not yet started and it's also a commercial, 5 more minutes. I just want to give you my prediction about this movie. My first idea is there's this guy, as what the title says, bring her back. So my first thinking is the guy wants to get back from the grave or from outer side of the world or whatever, because the one is already dead, and then he made this some kind of apparentis, or you mean what I'm trying to say is she made this girl to be the body to get the wanted she want to get back in her life, in his life, and then he used this girl. And the second one, my thinking about this movie, that this is the one who's being dead.